Anybody aware of table? Anybody knows pivot table, how to use pivot table? Okay, fine. So let's start with the pivot table. Uh, so just give me 1 second. I'm sharing my screen now. I hope my screen is visible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And I'm just now working 1 second. I'm just working on one of the thing here. 1 second. Why my profile is like this? So I'm just showing you one of the sheet here. Okay. So let me first explain you what is the pivot table is and how we can use the pivot table and why we need pivot table. That also we are going to discuss. And then we will apply it into this data basically, which I am having right now. Okay. So let's get into this. Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, Krishnan. I'm going to share. Uh, So what was the topic we were discussing? That is a Excel topic, and I'm again. So what I'll do is, Krishnan, at the end of the today's session, we will. I'm going to share this. Okay. Mm. So dealing with missing data was the last basically thing I had discussed in the last class, and after that we are now starting with the pivot table. Okay. Some people call it a pivot table, but it's actually a pivot table. Okay. The pivot table is again one of the Excel powerful feature. Okay. And what exactly it is being used? See, we are having a very huge data set. Okay. And it's not necessary that every time we are going to analyze all the basically columns, or we can say all the parameters of that data set every time for a data analytics. So in that case, we need certain extraction, right? We need certain part of the data set which we want to analyze. Okay, so in that case, the pivot table is a feature available in the Excel, which is basically which allows us to extract the significance, or we can say the useful data from the large data set. Okay, and that's a subset of that data set. We can call as a subset of the data set, so that it is extracted from that data set only, but we are using the significance. If suppose I want, say, let's say example, if we just consider employee data set, so I want a first name, last name, and employee department, employee salary. So this kind of thing only I want. I don't want its email ID or a phone number or maybe the address or a date of birth or date of joining. I don't want this. I just want this few significance basically data from the employee master data set. So I will be using pivot table, because with the help of pivot table I can easily extract the significance data, okay, or a part of the data set to analyze further. Okay, so this is how the pivot table is being basically used, and this is a one of the very common feature used by the data analyst. Okay, because using pivot table we are actually analyzing the significance now out of the data set which we are having. So let's talk about a pivot table. And a pivot table, how first I will just give a little brief about the pivot table, and then I will be basically explaining you the practical way how to implement pivot table. Okay. So if you are working with the large data sets in the Excel, so the pivot table
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Yeah, now it's coming.
Ma'am, no.
Okay, yeah. So I'm talking about pivot table. So pivot table comes in the basically really very what I say, the very handy feature. Okay. And it is very quick way to basically get the significance data. Okay. So it is very quick way to extract significant data from the large data set. Okay. And it can automatically sort and filter. Okay. So the another feature is it automatically, when you are using a pivot table, you don't need to have further thing. It can easily or automatically sort and filter the different subset of the data. Okay. Even it can count the total, or it can calculate the average of any what I say, any numeric value, numeric column. Basically, suppose you are having amount or a price or a marks, so you can easily go with the all your numeric related functionalities as well in the pivot table. Means whatever be the see, आपके पास एक बड़ा डेटा सेट है. अब उस बड़ा डेटा सेट से जब आप स्मॉल पोर्शन एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो, तो उस स्मॉल पोर्शन पे भी आप वॉट एवर बी द फंक्शंस विच वी हैड अप्लाइड ऑन द डेटा सेट is easily applied on the subset also, or we can say that small part of the data set as well. Okay, so numeric data. Then another benefit, can you just brief me for another benefit if you just think about any other benefit? See, this is the one I had explained you, but what is the another benefit we can have it?
Ma'am, I think we can easily visualize data by using pivot tables.
Okay, and anything?
Ma'am, automatic calculations are also done with the help of pivot tables.
Yeah, and the same time, we can also restructure the data set. Okay, so whatever be the structure of data set we are extracting, we can even restructure of your summary data set or the summarized table. So the second option is, it's not necessary that every time we need a vertical format of certain parameters. I can get it into the horizontal way as well. Okay, so the structure of your table, or we can say a table, I mean to say the pivot table. Okay, pivot table, or we actually we call it a subset, can be the structure of pivot table or subset can be easily, or we can say, I just want, यहाँ पे structure नहीं आएगा, pivot table and subset can easily make change in make changes, or I can, what I say, pivot table or subset can easily present in easily understood or understandable format or a structure. ठीक है? So this is another way. Okay, now we will just talk about how to use or how to add pivot table in our data set. So let's start with the Excel. So I'm having this data set already. Okay, I'm going to give this file. Okay, so you don't worry. You just basically look how the pivot table is being added. Okay. So this is very simple, basically data set where the products are there, categories are there. So there are two categories, vegetable and the fruit category. Okay, and for that category, the products are being basically defined here. Okay, and the amount and the date and the country. Okay, so it can be certain order, basically summary for fruit and vegetable for particular duration, that is in the 2016, the data, and it belongs to the country. So with respect to the country, how these two category or two basically category products are being ordered. Okay, so this is the order ID. So this is a very simple data set we are having right now. Now, how to add pivot table? So let's talk about it. So we are having basically home. Okay. After that, there is an insert option. Okay. So in the insert option, you will be using pivot table option. Okay. Then you will be inserting a pivot table with the range selection. Like in your table, what are the things you want to add it? Okay. There is very simple way that you can have the selection. Okay. Whatever be the significance column you want to add. But as if you are starting with the first basically time doing the pivot table, I would recommend that you should select all the data set. Okay. क्योंकि later on we can control it कि हमको क्या चाहिए, हम आगे के स्टेप में भी कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. Okay, so like now try to understand what I am doing here. Okay, so I'll be selecting a complete data set here. You can even select the complete sheet. Okay, you can select the complete sheet even. Okay, here I had just selected a new sheet to be basically shown. Okay, now I don't want a pivot table in the existing worksheet. I want it should be generated into the new worksheet. Okay. Yes, I am going to share, Krishnam. Don't worry. Okay, let me first explain you the process. Okay, let's first focus on my screen. What are the steps I am taking? You just first follow that steps. Okay, understand that steps. And then I'm going to share this sheet with you. And then you have to do practice. Okay, at the same time, during the session only. So that if you come with any kind of problem or any technical difficulties, so I can sort it out immediately. Okay. So don't worry about that. I'm going to share the sheet. 1 second. What happened? Something while selection. Yeah. So I'm just selecting like this, a complete data set rather than selecting this. Okay. And I'll be selecting for the new worksheet. I don't want a data model. Okay, I will explain the data model when we talk about a Power Query. Power Query is again one of the important topic. So today I will be introducing the Power Query after the pivot table and the pivot charts. And then in the next class, we will be focusing on the Power Query. So that time I will be explaining data model. So just unchecked with the basically data model. And then the pivot table is being added into sheet number 4. Okay, automatically sheet 4 is being created and the pivot table is appeared like this. Okay, Now on the left side, there is a sheet on the with the pivot table. On the right side of your screen, you will see pivot table fields. Okay. अब यहाँ पे आपको जो चाहिए fields, you can select it. Suppose you want to have a products, you can have a product category. If you want a category, you can see step by step we will be doing. Okay. So the very first thing what we did, we insert a pivot table. After that, we select the range. Okay. After that, we drag the fields. Okay. And then now I am selecting the pivot table field. अब हम actual data set पे नहीं हैं. अब हम हमारे extracted data set पे आ गए. That is a subset, or we can say the significance, basically data which we already extracted from the actual data set. Okay. Now we are now selecting कि मुझे क्या क्या चीजें चाहिए हैं. So I'm just selecting, I'm not selecting category, I'm just selecting a product. Okay, let's say I'm selecting an amount. Okay, and the country wise. Okay, so I'm just selecting the country wise. Okay. After that, if you see here, you can also observe there is a filter option. Okay. So what, on the basis of what I want to filter, I can adjust it. So I want, as per the country, I want to filter. Okay. I want product on the row side, and see, obviously the values are into the amount is should be into here itself. Okay. So this is how I updated. Is it clear? Now, if you see, you will find this basically, if you just analyze, now analysis to be done. Okay, so what is the role of our, basically all this pivot table? We will be analyzing our values, okay, based on the three basically parameters, or significant parameters which we selected for the pivot table. So mainly pivot table will give you the glance, or we can say the at a time you can analyze. See, like your products. Okay, so what are your products are? So these are your products. Like there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Total 7 products are there. And at the same time, you can also analyze like what is their total sum amount. Okay, for all countries. Okay, so this kind of things, like a country wise filter means सारे countries में जितना भी countries है, मतलब अगर मान लो कि आप एक 10 countries को आप order दे रहे हो, you are basically you are collecting order from the 10 countries, so that 10 countries, basis of that 10 countries, मतलब सारे 10 countries में इन products का total order कितना गया, मान लो एक साल में, एक महीने में, like that it is. Okay, so this is how you are getting. So this is kind of analysis quickly we can generate from the super basically data set, or we can say through that data set which we are having. अब यहाँ से मुझे नहीं पता चलेगा, right? I will not get it from here. Although I can apply filters, I can sort it, but I will not get it such kind of analysis. Okay, I had to go with the pivot table, because using pivot table, whatever be the significance data I want to go further for the analysis can be easily done. I hope it is clear to everyone what I am discussing right now. Anyone is having any doubt? Yeah? Yes, किसी को डाउट वगैरह है कुछ?
No, ma'am.
फाइन, स्टेप समझ में आ रही है जो मैं बता रही हूँ, स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now to get the banana at the top, what we are supposed to do here? We will be just click anywhere, okay, in the cell, and just have the, I will be just having, 1 second. I'll be just having, look at this. In the pivot table, I will be just clicking on the sort option, and I will be just clicking on the large to basically smallest. So I will be getting banana at the highest amount. Okay, then after that, apple I am analyzing, then broccoli, then carrots, oranges, beans, and mangoes. So mangoes ordered during particular month, it is less. Okay, remaining thing, it is like suppose I just compare it, banana is at the highest. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how I can apply the sorting here? But by just clicking, right click of basically right click of your mouse option. But where you are going to click? In the pivot table. मैं pivot table के अंदर क्लिक कर रही हूँ, यहाँ पे नहीं क्लिक कर रही हूँ, मैं pivot table के अंदर क्लिक कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे sorting के अलग options दिखाई दे रहे हैं, right? Whereas if I am clicking outside the pivot table, the sorting options are completely different. So all this such kind of things we will be just having in the pivot table. Okay, it's not only just having a pivot table, we can even customize also. मतलब यहाँ पे अगर कुछ changes करना है तो आप यहाँ पे भी change कर सकते हो by just going into the drag fields between the areas, or else you can directly have it for quick view using right click option of your mouse, and you can have it sorting, filtering, everything it is possible. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then we can also apply the filter to the pivot table. How we are going to apply the filter to the pivot table? So if you see here, we had already added a country field. अभी country field की बात ही नहीं करी है. Okay, अभी country field we can basically filter out. We can filter this pivot table by the country. Okay, so for example, which product do we export to most to any particular country? So let's say I can have it, say Canada. Are you understanding what I'm discussing right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose I want to check France. Let's say I want to check with the France. So I can country wise. So see, if suppose like your manager asks you with the country wise report, so you can quickly basically analyze this by applying the filter, and you can immediately within a fraction of basically time, or within a 5 to 10 minutes, you can give a quick reporting. Okay. So pivot table is very important feature for a data analyst. Okay, or this kind of feature, any data analyst should be very like comfortable and should have very handy to use it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
At the same time, you are getting a grand total as well. See, सिर्फ यहाँ पे ही काम खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, आपको उसी के साथ आपको ग्रैंड टोटल भी मिल रहा है. अब यहाँ पे देखो, फ्रांस में एप्पल सबसे ज्यादा ऑर्डर किए गए rather than the banana, right? If suppose I select some another country, say United Kingdom, I am selecting. So I will find that banana is at the higher, and then the carrot is being ordered more. Okay. Suppose I am just checking out with the United States. So I can just have it again a banana and the carrot. So see, based on this also I can generate a reports. Country-wise report also I can generate it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you can also even count. Okay. So suppose like, if suppose like you want to create summarize your data by either summarizing the counting items to change the type of calculation. So that is also possible. How it is possible? By just right click, again value field, you can just have it a setting option. Okay, value field in the setting option, you can go there and you can just check it with the count. You can have it average, as I told you ना कि ये सारे functions भी हम apply कर सकते हैं. So we can have a max, mean, everything we can have it like this. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after that, so this is how the basically pivot table we can add it to our any data set. So let's talk about this data set again. So if you just see here, this data set consisting of how many basically rows? 213 rows we are having, right? मतलब 213 आइटम्स है मेरे पास. पर मेरे को ये 213 से कंट्री वाइज ना मुझे सेल पता चल, मतलब ऑर्डर पता चल रहा है ना, मुझे कौन सा फ्रूट या कौन सा वेजिटेबल सबसे ज्यादा किसी पर्टिकुलर कंट्री में ऑर्डर किया गया, ये एनालाइज हो पा रहा है. So what I had to do is I had to extract those values which I want to analyze. So extraction, see, remember everything is related with the data analytics steps only. So extraction. So I will be going with the extraction. So in the Excel, what is the tool we are having for the extraction? Pivot table we are having.
ओके मैम। मैम वन क्वेश्चन। मैम अभी आपने बताया कि सम और मैक्स फंक्शंस हम यूज कर सकते हैं। तो हम किसी भी कॉलम पे उसको क्लिक करेंगे तो नया कॉलम क्रिएट होगा क्या? अगर हम उसको मैक्स, सपोज हम अगर मैक्स लेते हैं
One
पूरा
second.
डेटा का।
Yeah, can you just again repeat the question?
मैम एक्चुअली अभी आप बता रहे थे सम मैक्स और मिन फंक्शन भी यूज कर सकते हैं। तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि वो अलग कॉलम क्रिएट करता है क्या जब हम कोई मैक्स फंक्शन या मिन फंक्शन यूज करेंगे तो?
नहीं नहीं, वो तो वैसे ही यूज करेंगे ना, मतलब जैसे हमने अभी ये जो है ना, आप इस वैल्यूज की बात कर रहे हो ना अभी, जैसे सेट द
यस।
वैल्यू वाला जो मैं आपको
यस
ऑप्शन
मैम।
बता रही थी, राइट?
यस
सो
मैम। यस।
दैट इज बेसिकली वो ही, आप जैसे हमको काउंट यूज कर रहा है, ओके। सो मुझे कस्टम नेम विद द काउंट यूज करना है, तो मुझे कस्टम नेम उसके अमाउंट, मतलब जैसे कितना बनाना का मतलब अमाउंट रहा, तो वैल्यू 23 है, इतना बार उसका ऑर्डर हुआ।
ओके ओके, सो इट विल गिव द काउंट ऑफ दैट अमाउंट और मैक्स
Exactly. How many
ऑफ।
time it is being ordered.
ओके मैम, ओके फाइन, ओके।
Okay. So
ओके।
this is how the things basically happens. It's अभी जैसे मैंने सम लिया है, तो सम से मुझे उसका क्या मिल रहा है? सम ऑफ अमाउंट मिल रहा है। ओके।
यस मैम, यस मैम, या।
ओके, अगर आप इसी को कंपेयर करोगे अगर हमारे एक्चुअल डेटा से, तो अगर यहाँ पे आप काउंट करोगे ना, बनाना कितने बार कौन सी कंट्री के लिए हम देख रहे थे अभी, 1 सेकेंड, आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग आउट। जैसे यूनाइटेड स्टेट, तो यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे करना पड़ेगा, पहले आपको फिल्टर लगाना पड़ेगा कंट्री पे, फिर आपको यूनाइटेड स्टेट ढूंढना पड़ेगा, फिर आपको ढूंढना
यस
पड़ेगा
मैम।
बनाना, और फिर आपको काउंट फंक्शन लगाना पड़ेगा। तो दिस आना तो है ऑब्वियसली, एक्सेल में आप ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि आप डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट एनालिसिस कर नहीं पाओगे, लेकिन आप ये सोचो ना कि ये तरीका कितना गलत है, वहां पे गलतियां होने के पूरे चांसेस है, राइट? इफ यू मिस्ड एनीथिंग, और यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स का स्पेलिंग अगर गड़बड़ लिखा है, so many things can be possible in this kind of approach. So pivot table is a best approach, right, for analysis. I hope it is clear to everyone.
यस मैम, नाउ आई गॉट। यस।
Okay. So I'm sharing this basically Excel sheet with you. I think we already created one Excel sheet, right? I don't remember. Yeah, session live practice sheet was created na in the last class,
यस मैम।
and there only I'm just pasting this. Okay. I'm saving this again. I'm sharing with you guys. So quickly you can try this. Okay. अगर किसी को कोई दिक्कत आ रही है तो they can ask me immediately, so I can help them immediately during the session itself. Uh, no, Krishnan को ही गया. 1 second, 1 second. To everyone I want to send it. Okay. Now I'm giving you next basically 5 minutes to work on this sheet. Okay. क्योंकि पाइवोट टेबल सबको अच्छे से आना चाहिए, क्योंकि आगे चल के हम अब पाइवोट चार्ट ऐड करेंगे इसके बेसिस पे. So please try to do it. I'm just sharing my screen again, which I did for the pivot table. 1 second. Okay, and please follow the steps. I hope everybody had observed steps carefully. If anybody find difficulty, they can unmute and ask me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I want to ask you something like if my pivot table is in one sheet, but
Hmm.
I want to move it to another sheet, then how
Hmm.
I can do this?
Uh, you want to I don't once again what you want?
Ma'am, actually, if my pivot table is in sheet one, okay,
Okay.
I want to move it to sheet number two or three, whatever. So how
Hmm.
can I do this, or can I do this or not?
See, once you created, one second, while creating it, it will going to ask you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
By mistake, if you created on the same, basically on the same sheet, right? So you can
Yes,
just
ma'am.
select it and you can paste it on the another sheet. Now you can try it. Some versions allowed, some versions don't. Some
Okay.
versions of your Excel allowed such way.
And ma'am, how to delete the pivot table?
ऐसे डिलीट
Is
कर
there
लो
any
आप डायरेक्ट.
option?
नो 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 आप देखो यहां से जाना. वन सेकेंड.
I'm going niche.
Hmm? You can change the data source also here. Okay. Even you can clear it, you can select it, whatever you want in the pivot table analysis option. You can have all the things which you can do it here. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, in the starting of the pivot table, like when this the sheet 4 just opened, we got the option of all the columns of the table on the right hand side.
कहाँ पे
Like
जब
you
पाइवोट
can
टेबल
see that they
बनाया था?
have like disappeared. So, ma'am, like yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, like what to do to get those options of selecting the columns again, like on the right side of this sheet?
Second. You mean to say this option of the pivot table?
Yes, ma'am. Like from where we picked all these columns.
Second. Hmm. Pivot table. Actually, there is one option. Now I'm. Yeah, moving is here, designing is not here. Power table. चल गया वो. एक ऑप्शन रहता है. One second, I'm just checking it. That does. हाँ, field list.
Ma'am, from where?
Show.
Oh, field is there. Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
And who is asking me na ki from one sheet to another sheet, how I can move the pivot table? So there is option move pivot table. In my this is my latest version of Excel. So you just try with whether it is available or not.
Yes,
Because
ma'am, I got it.
yeah, and for delete, you can have a delete option like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we will be doing for two-dimensional pivot table using chart. Sorry, first we will do the two-dimensional pivot table. Okay. So what is two-dimensional pivot table? So this is a single dimensional, ideally which we just now drawn, that is our single dimensional. So we can also make a two-dimensional pivot table. Okay. So if you drag a field to the row area and column area, you can create a two-dimensional pivot table. How it is being done? Let's talk about it. So I had already inserted a pivot table like this. Okay. And here I had selected four things: product, category, amount, and the country. If you see here, so this is my two-dimensional product, basically pivot table. Okay. What is this two-dimensional? I am getting a category also, and I am getting at the same time, basically some amount also. Okay. And for every for everything, I can select it by just having a selection here. Okay. So there are two-dimensional pivot table. So these are my two-dimensional pivot table. I can also have a filters on category as well as on the product, basically. So there are two dimension na, for this table. Okay. I can get it the data based on category as well as the product. Look at this, the category as well as the product. Okay. And the country wise. So if you want to see it with the country wise, that is also possible here. Okay. So just insert the pivot table. I'll just tell you the steps you need to follow it. Okay. Insert the pivot table on the same sheet which I had shared with you. Okay. So insert karo pivot table yahan pe. And then next, when you are inserting it, select the basically data, the complete sheet you had to select it. Done, everybody on the same basically step. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have
Yes,
selected
ma'am.
what you have last set the
Yes,
product, category, amount, and country.
yes, ma'am.
Two dimensional करा आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So I'm directly showing you the fields how you are going to select it. आपको steps वो ही follow करना है, बस जब pivot table की field selection का time आता है तब आपको logically आपको दो dimensional चाहिए है, इसलिए you have to select carefully about that. So to get two amount, basically total amount exported to each country for each product, so you have to select filter on the category and a column on the product. Again here rows for basically country in the rows and the respective value. So automatically this two-dimensional table, pivot table is being generated. Okay. After that, so yeah. And then if you want to select, right now it is for the only United States. Okay. Suppose I just make it for all the basically countries. Look at this. Based on that, the chart which is being created is automatically changed. Now, we will be adding pivot chart here. Okay. So the same, on the same sheet, only be on the same sheet. Follow the steps. Okay. Now, create a pivot chart and apply the filters. Now, how you are going to create a pivot chart?
Ma'am, I have recommended chart sheet, so I have uploaded from that. inserted from the
No. We will be having pivot chart straight away
The
here in the
pivot chart
pivot,
Oh,
yeah,
that, yes,
pivot
ma'am.
option.
It says
Okay.
pivot chart. Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. So you will be selecting pivot chart from here, insert the pivot chart. Okay, just click here. Okay, so I'll be doing on this. So it will be easy. So I want it like this. Okay, which kind of type you can have it, like whatever be the value, whatever be the type you want, you can have it. And then I'll be just making it okay. So here also the pivot chart is being created. Okay, basis on country and product. Suppose I am going to select the country here, all countries or Australia. So based on that, the values will change. Okay. So similarly, I had created for this data. Okay. So if I just want to select only for one country, okay, let's say I want to select for Canada. So I'll be just getting only Canada oriented data from the pivot table. Suppose I want it should be from Germany and Canada. So I will be getting for both the countries. Try to understand. See, it's not only the facts and figure we are showing through the pivot table. We are also representing it. Visualization is also possible. The same time visualization also we are applying here. Okay, so data analytics का जो steps है कि data collection, data cleaning, data extraction and data analyzing. So data analyzing we are doing with the help of pivot tables as well as the pivot chart we are using for the visualization. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please try to do this as well. Okay. I'm again sharing this sheet. Not exactly the sheet I can share it, but yeah, but try to do it on this data set, which already I had shared. So I hope everybody is comfortable and remember the steps which I had used. किसी को कोई steps को लेके concern है क्या?
Hello.
Yeah,
Ma'am, could you? I'm sharing my screen. Could you please see whether I'm doing right or not?
sure. Yeah, perfectly fine. See, you want to see it in this manner. That's why you had taken into the vertical format and you had selected your pivot basically chart into the different basically way it has to be represent. So it is all okay. That's not a problem.
Ma'am, I have done it in ascending order.
चलेगा ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Good. Now I'm going to share another pivot basically thing. Okay. So one second. Huh? I'm just sharing again my screen. Huh? So it's not only the data which I had taken, I'll just try to show you another example of pivot table for portfolio analysis. Okay. So suppose somebody is having a portfolio of, say, maybe investments. Let's say some investments are there. So I just making a two basically company, it can be, two person can be, two partners can be, anything. So I'm just taking a Shyam and Ram. Okay. You can just replace it, whatever be the things you are having. And then these are the categories of the funds they had invested. Okay. These are the basically amount, what I say, the total amount and how the units they had been purchased and what is the NAV value we are having. Okay. So that is a net value and the units is being purchased and type of bonds or type of investment it is by this two person and these are the schemes. So these are the small, what I say, transaction data. And on this transaction data also you can do द एनालिसिस की सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा फंड में इन्वेस्ट हुआ है, हाउ मच अमाउंट इज इन्वेस्टेड बाय से राम, बाय से श्याम, with a particular basically scheme, or even you can consider a date also, the duration also, कि, सबसे ज्यादा कौन से मंथ में हुआ. So you can consider all such kind of data and you can have it. Okay, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please
Yes,
share
ma'am.
this.
This data you want? Okay, 1 second, I'm just sharing this file in our live session practice file only. So this is a portfolio analysis. So you can add a date or a random other values also you can add it, okay? So you'll get more parameter. That is what my intention here. Okay. So here we completed pivot table and pivot charts. Pivot table, single dimensional, two-dimensional pivot table with varieties we had discussed. Now, there are so many things in the pivot table, okay? You need to explore. I had given already the data set with you. I had shown you the basically steps, how to use those pivot table and how the analysis can be done. So all the steps are being explained. नाउ व्हाट इज माय एक्सपेक्टेशन, जो दो डेटा सेट आपको दिए हैं, आप उन पे जितने भी पाइवोट टेबल के ऑप्शंस है, जब आप पाइवोट टेबल ऐड करने के बाद देयर इज ऑप्शंस अपीयर ऑन योर स्क्रीन, ऑन बेसिकली ऑन द मेनू, you had to try it, okay, and understand it, how the pivot table basically gives different basically aspect of the data. Okay, now I'm sharing today's Word file as well. Just give me 1 second. I'm just closing first that Word file. Then I'm able to share that. I'm just quickly sharing the Word file as well. I hope both the files are being received to everyone. Kindly check and download it so that you can practice pivot table and pivot chart. It's not only the chart which I had taken, you can also export pie chart, you can analyze into the pie chart options, the colorful charts, you can have it. So visualization बहुत अलग अलग तरीके से हम कर सकते हैं using pivot chart as well. So try to basically export or apply that thing as well on the basically pivot table. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Anyone having any doubt? We still having 3 minutes, 4 minutes left. So if anybody having any doubt, they can ask me. See, this is a major crunch of Excel, okay, where the pivot tables are being used, okay. VLOOKUP we had seen. बाकी के functions जो थे वो they are maybe you are aware about those, you had already been used, okay. So they are very basic things, okay. So they are the basic part of the Excel functions and formulas. We had seen the correlation that is little bit advanced side. Then data analysis, data analytics using basically that data analytics options. So add-ins we had use, and then we going forward for the predictive analytics and diagnostic analytics using various approaches. So that we already discussed, that is advanced part, but जो average और ये सब functions थे वो सारे basic थे. And then we had seen the VLOOKUP and then the pivot one. Okay, and the next class we will be talking about Power Query. That is a very advanced topic into the Excel. Okay, so there are basically some environment support is needed. So we will talk about that during that session only, because if I start, it will be not going to cover in today's within 2-3 minutes of time. So it's better to start freshly. Meanwhile, जो आपको data set दिया हुआ है, आप उसके ऊपर प्रैक्टिस करो. आप डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हो फ्रॉम द केगल एंड यू कैन हैव इट मच मोर. Basically on the big data set you can apply all this pivot table and pivot chart. आपको और कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा उससे. Okay, fine. I hope nobody is having any doubt because today's session hands on भी हो ही गया है. So I don't think so anybody is having any doubt. So we will end up the session here and I will take your Power Query into the next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.